The next step in the home selling process is the pre-listing home preparation. This is a time for you to go through and inspect your home for any major items that need to be repaired or remedied. You'll want to go through your property and think of it on the level of health and safety issues. You're going to want to take a look at your foundation and your concrete and make sure that there are no cracks or any shifting happening with the concrete in your home, especially in your basement space and outside that could present a trip and fall hazard. You're going to want to take a look at your HVAC system. You're going to want to look at your furnace and your AC unit and or swamp cooler if applicable. You're going to want to have those systems cleaned and certified. You're going to want to make sure that there are no gas leaks or carbon monoxide leaks coming from these systems. You're going to want to take a look at your HVAC system. You're going to want to look at your furnace and your AC unit and or swamp cooler if applicable. And you're going to want to have those systems cleaned and certified. You're going to want to make sure that there are no gas leaks or carbon monoxide leaks coming from these systems. You'll do the same thing with your water heater and pay special attention for any leaks from your water heater or any corrosion. Next step would be to take a look at your sewer line. Call a sewer professional to come out, clean your line, and inspect it to make sure that there are no cracks or separation happening within your main sewer line. Take a look at your roof. Make sure there are no missing shingles, that there are no nails that are coming up, and make sure that your area on your roof is sealed and prepared. Your windows and doors. Again, think health and safety. You're going to want to make sure that they lock. You're going to want to make sure that they open to make sure that somebody that is in the home can escape through a window if necessary, and to make sure that it does not present a safety hazard by making sure all windows and doors lock properly. Plumbing. Go through your home and check all of your sinks and all of your plumbing for any water leaks. Check for water pressure issues in your home, and check your sump pump if you have one along to make sure that your sump pump is working and that your sump pit is free of any water. Electrical. Electrical issues you want to remedy in your home would be any tripping of any breakers and making sure that all of your outlets are properly covered to prevent any sort of shock hazard. Radon. Colorado has a high intensity for radon in our homes, especially those with basements. So you're going to want to make sure that you have a radon system in your home, or at the very least, get a radon test done to see if it warrants a radon mitigation system installation. The easiest way to do all of this is to just hire an inspector and have them come in and inspect the home for you, and they'll be able to tell you all of the things that should be remedied or looked at during your home selling process. The whole point is that you'll want to think on a level of just being proactive. Being proactive is going to allow for there to be a smoother transaction during the inspection process and in the real estate transaction in general. While doing this, you'll also know that you're going to be moving, so why not start boxing up all of your stuff? The items that you're not using in your home, you're going to want to box up, store in closets, put in garages, declutter any furniture in your home. You'll want to make your spaces look as large as possible. And also very important is to remove all personal photos or personal items from the home. You're going to want to allow for the buyer to step into your space and see themselves in your home. They don't want to see you in your home, they want to see themselves in your home. So remove all personal items if possible. And last but not least, you're going to want to go through and do a deep cleaning of your home. That includes windows, windowsills, baseboards, walls. You're going to want to put your home in the best presentable home buying condition. So do a deep cleaning. And if you need to, it also is nice for some people to consult with a professional home stager if you're struggling to put your home in a presentable selling position.